Hey, how's it going? So, for today's unboxing, I have a very, very large box. So large that it will not even fit on my table. So here's the box. Do my best to not knock stuff over, but as you can see, very, very large. Now, I do remember what I ordered, however, that box is much, much bigger than what I was expecting. Let's check it out. So 1 second while I fight with this box. So first I'll bring out some of these smaller ones. So here is a hint at what I did order. Look at these baby racks. Super cool. So I did pick up four sets of the Blackriver trucks. These are going to be the 34 millimeters. I got silver on silver and black on black. And since they had them in stock, I got 5 more of these History Mysteries. However, these will have to wait for another time. I finally got a Blackriver staircase. This thing is a lot bigger than what I was originally thinking it was. Super cool. In order to get the full angle of this, I will have to clear some space. So this thing is a beast. Got the little screws right here. I'll screw that in later. But with this one, I went with the gold square rail. Super excited. Sounds good. So this stair set is massive, much bigger than what I thought it was going to be. But we got the Euro gap, come up here. I need to get some sort of pocket kicker or something for right here, and then just come right down to that rail. Super cool. Got the screws right here. Got to bust out a screwdriver. I cannot wait to shred this up. But here it is from the side. There's this side with the Euro gap. There's the back end of it and the stair side. Super cool. Obviously, there's no non-sliders on here, but you do not need them. It is not going anywhere. It is not afraid of you. Super excited to have this. I have always wanted one of these. It's like a dream come true finally getting this. It's actually been a long dream come true having all this Blackriver stuff, because as a kid, I could not imagine owning as much as I do now. Super excited. So I went with this gold square rail because the majority of all the rails that I have, they're round rails. So I did want to switch it up, but looking at this in person, it has sort of this iridescent color to it. Super cool. And it's really, really heavy. Something that I do like. Makes me feel like it's not gonna break ever at all. Super cool. But yeah, I'll have this screwed in and have a session on it somehow. I gotta find a table big enough. So my initial thoughts on the Blackriver stair set is it looks super, super cool. From the rail to the kicker, the stairs themselves, It is a pretty good length on this top deck right here. So it's plenty of space to set up for your fakie tricks, your nollie tricks, your switch tricks, your regular tricks. This gap right here feels like it's a pretty good length. The rail has this really cool feel to it when you're grinding on it. When you slide on it. When you crooked grind on it. When you 5-0 shove it lip slide on it. Even when you don't land a trick, it still feels cool. Yeah, that's a really good rail. Alright, so we'll get this out of the way real quick. Inside the box, you get stickers, rip tape, deck, and a little rip tape how to apply it on there. Rip tape, pamphlet thingy, stickers, deck. So up first we have this black top ply, and we have this kid. Super happy, super cool. Deck number 2, we have this dark green top ply and that flat face deck. Super cool. Always happy to have more. Deck number the 3rd, we got this natural wooden top ply and the green Berlinwood logo. This one is a new one to me. Super excited to have it. The middle plies do have this really cool blue pattern. Very cool. So the 4th deck has this really cool bright red top ply. And we got another new graphic. Super excited. Fantastic. It's got these "Hello, my name is" Berlinwood. Very cool. So for the last graphic of this unboxing, we have a solid black top ply and that Superman graphic. Very cool. So this unboxing treated me very well. I got 3 new graphics. Puts me that much closer to completing this whole set. So here are the graphics that I got this time. Very cool. These 3, they are brand new to me, and these 2 are duplicates. That'll do it for now. Take it easy. Have a good one.